Yeah, so currently we are here outside in Cape Coast. Currently, Central Music Awards, Orkorto, and I'm blessed to have one of the biggest artists in Central Region. No doubt, what I say, the artist of the decade. No doubt. And then Orkorto Perry and everything come more. Orkorto Perry, I'm more about shows.
Yeah, Master Medase, bro. Charlie, you're looking good, man.
You're also looking good.
Nice.
Looking dapper.
Yeah, bless up, yeah.
Last year, you've been crowned as the artist of the decade. How was the feeling like?
Yeah, I felt great. Yeah, because of we started this way back 2011 and up to last year 2021. Yeah. We were up as artists of the decade. I felt great because of I was rewarded for my hard work, and everybody in Central Region, anyone, even a child, an adult, a grown-up could testify that from 2011 up to 2001, Orkorto Perry was on top, was that great artist, yeah.
Consistent.
Yeah, back to back, consistency, counted, and Charlie, I felt proud, yeah.
This year we are witnessing the 11th edition of Central Music Awards. Last year, the 10th edition, and the anniversary for fair. Comparing last year, the anniversary, and this year being the 11th edition, Sena Usi Ehun show.
Yeah, back at to my observation, and I'm with my opinion, every year elevation last year was great, super, but this year is superb. Yeah, it's like we elevate. If you class 1, you class 2, class 3, but you jump, you will GHS here. So this year, Charlie, we've nailed it. Yeah.
I mean, you have a couple of performances or staging. So, are you really loving the show? Are you really loving the energy? At least now, my performance so far, if we say, are they living to their expectation? So
far, I'm loving each and everyone who has performed on stage. The likes of Emoji, Lois, Yao Black, Mr. Fantastic, Kojo Viper, this guy, Bass Out to the Wonders, and the SG2 gang. Charlie. Me guys, they are superb. And Central Region, we got a future. Yeah.
I feel we would drop a single and what we need a year. So far, send our reactions in the city.
Yeah, Duya is making waves, and I'm on the promo. The fans out there should watch out. Christmas or a banger, and hopefully, even the other time you interviewed me on, I think, me catch you there. I'll be dropping an album next year, so I'll be dropping a single from the album maybe next week. Orkorto Perry featuring Kobe Simple. The title is Daddy Go Pay. So next week, my fans out there should expect a banger. Orkorto Perry featuring Kobe Simple.
Are you picking any award tonight? Do you believe you still win an award tonight?
I was nominated for 7 categories, and I'm hoping to pick 2 or 3 awards home. I think Hip Life Artist of the Year, Song of the Year, and the Ultimatum Artist of the Year. We're taking it home. Yeah.
Do you believe Central Music has really grown to the expectation in
Yes. From onset, we started way back 2009, 2010, 2011. We had a squad where about 6-7 people moving. The likes of me, Orkorto Perry, Tiflo, Kobe Simple, Buggy Wednesday, Capone, Schoolboys. We did great, but our predecessors, the guys following us, Charlie, they are marvelous. I'm telling you, the likes of 2 Feet from Aguna, Annie from Winneba, the SG2 gang from Cape Coast. Charlie, Central Region, Charlie, we rock, we got future, and I'm praying that hopefully the next couple of years we'll be out there. Yeah.
Do you believe Central Music Awards is the #1 regional awards in Ghana?
We started before 2-3 years, the other region started. Because of, I knew for sure, 2010, we started this. And none of the regions were doing this award. So we are the originators. So I think got into 3-4 years. I saw Greater Region Eastern coming to join us. So Central Region, CMA, Central Region Music Awards, we are the originators for regional awards. No doubt, we are number one.
Martin who say Ujai and security band and
we are back at the mass of natural beer or you cushion catch and I may missy or you cushion me jan you man left umbu pain.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye.
Central Music Awards 2022.
Yeah, we're still outside and they will keep course currently. Central Music Awards also na and Mesaka, one of the biggest promoter over Central Region Ghana haya upon home in the media space. What I say, Assin Talks and more about immersions.
Medasi.
Last year, you were say a wonderful show, which was the 11th and the 10th edition for Central Music Awards. I feel it is the 11th edition. Comparing a year from the scratch, time I started CMA, ABC, and you believe we've really grown.
I think so from the previous ones now show where I want say improvement be brabim. Stage setup, sound quality, the lighting, and even the performance of artists in a year. Once at least Central Media no a grow kakra from the artists, the media people, and everyone within the media space is trying to do better than then. I think say you grow.
And you may hear a couple of performances across so energy talking about the musicians now on what me performing over stage. Who is saying who say craft
trust me, perfect. Because me will be from the beginning of Central Music Awards, beginning Obama City Music Awards. I've been witnessing it till now. Intimation performance at then. Any CC at the I think say CC you're crashing first now. Me believe say within some few years to come, you become more than the CC you do.
You've been a promoter, a blogger, Admawi Etuya, Oba Central Region, that's blogging really pays.
No cray. Means me imagine Hanka say for now no the way eduma ye na enya ho aketua na yenya but ye hope say and ne nyina nso ne gina ne say nipa na ebia wo ye eduma ma no no say no ho kire na obesi de etua wo kana ho ato o man no mu aye den ti like empire na ye bo say ye artist na ade no at least o mu benya some side support to be anase o mu benya management team bia o mu betumi etua eduma na ye no husika amaye but yentumi so nka say bia artist ni nya the kind of payment I deserve my yentinu yentumi nya eduma na mo ye be try aye best the better time artist no betumi akeka omansase on say so oni obi ye eduma e depend nipa kro na ho keka na ade no mpo no like a good a chin score the bema because obia bia oni bia action or the bema or check care or ma no and then chese nipa kro no onye ska once or work ma want to mean this kind out nti ene na ye hwe say artist no omu benya that kind because obi ya dey ma na won appreciate a e be den say obe free wakoma mu say o man nipa kro ni but so omu hu adwuma na ye no mo appreciate a ho na ye nyina no ye benya ye ho mfaso. I think say appreciation no and artists no also omuhu.
No doubt, say Oba Ghana currently Central Music Awards is the #1 when it comes to regional awards. I feel you heard promotion, you heard the euphoria behind the event. What really went in? Secretly, netizen talking about the promotion.
I think Yayebida na ye so ayede akoyenim. Since this is the 11th year, at least ye baby ano promotion like baby the first no nkofo be 5 na push scheme na right now ye benya more than that 5 no until the baby ano e be higher than then. And they say, and I pay, even though me one of the board members of the scheme, and then me who scheme adverts or TV news, TV3 news even though like me aware say able to make your honor. Me who manage ya pa, until imagine obia or fear on him the cost to be an away who TV so. I think say the NJB ebe more region and the organizers of Central Music Awards me bomb abaso a banner arrangement of the event na they from the beginning to that event in Ekosono omo put too much.
Currently, the musicians in Central Region they couldn't file for this year's event, and artists are all region why not we say on file for this event.
And then I'm doing kind no. No, it bounce back to the appreciation team. See, yeah, they were region. Na say, nyame munu krano. Central Music Awards and first regional awards. Ghana ha. It is our Central Region now. Your music. Na say, we say we appreciate it. They bisa. You want they be to me appreciate it. No matter what, esu. Once and then I what they are, a war no. Also, my when so. Because award me award be say be such award be. Me kai me winning me promoter of the year. Me go feel be mo bisa me say na uwini ni scare ka ho but through me readings na dey my no me who say Grammy ni beat na dey no crowd win ya ma award. But say one kasa uji edwuma na udi no oye no udidi na say unya that kind of encouragement na e ma oye no more e ma oye den eko wanim nti I think say artist bia or region we mu this year me who say like someone like Kwame Zagi me share no fit me nkwala brem or file nti how come say wa fe na oba ube feel too big to file for that kind of scheme nti I think say no na me kind of appreciation nipa ko no appreciate ya head say or then no bebem but omo appreciate no so na wase eni ko mo
blogging adwuma saying NCT or Central Region. Do you see more people evolving who share blogging space and I feel it's just you and a few people that are trying to put or support talent in Central Region?
A bit free maybe so baby because first and I'm a baha and come in as a blogger and come as an artist because I used to be an artist. But so there that's the way you be push you. That's the share now or then I'll bet me they push your man for men can so be push you. Giant push your man for me foot to a crowd the man because yes met me I am still. But be a push I may hear the maybe queen in the minya. Until then I may waste it that time no abra met me me time a push you be why ready to go. Until I think say ebi mu jai baby mu so bem. Me personally me say that nya ska and free blogging mu but say me ka say dwuma na me ye no mani nje ho na me boa mani nje ho pa
then future no we hold the amount as blogger as a music then a future no we hold the amount.
I think say obi en ho nim the future but So when you made you oh yeah, what me believe you future. But who believe you? If you say first no, ebia den say me na makra kro bi obi be hu me mpo me ni papa ya me ye. Maten dem to me na makra ba bia me hu so obi anim no obi abom din Assin Talks. Eduma ya na edumi edu that level no. Nti I think say future no bright because the more amount for who no mo hu de wo ye ne obi betumi de adwuma abrɛ no wetua waka na wa ye. Nti I think say how me mu say minya exposure for adwuma me ye no. Me hu future ne say bright pa.
Organizers for this year's awards, of say, because we can say, Amphibia, grow, and I believe, say, so far we are witnessing a wonderful show. Our last words, then, what they call the organizers of this year's event.
I think, say, may the encouragement can see in a organizers of the Central Music Awards. So, among also, no more the marriage, no. Ebi mu appreciate but omo appreciate no do so tin omo appreciate no nti ade so ye ma majority no nti mo nhwe ebi a this encouragement e be free ebi mu side aba omo nhwe be encouragement ni free no because me personally there obi am Central Music Awards kra me there mepe because eno ne me nso region dey wom me ntumi njai na me nkofa ade foforo bia and me believe nso say nya me nko ana managing scheme no nti I think say adwuma na also mo koso no omo born hard MI
Mawane enje ne owo ho somuye na ye ni na wiase nyina ebehu. This is the words of Assin Talk. Assin Talk, may I say with me pass it through.
That's it.
Central Music Awards 2022.
Outside and Cape Coast, Central Region currently Central Music Awards. When I free, and then one of the finest gentlemen about music, no doubt. Over Central Region, or standing very very tall, and then Guyson and everything come away with Guyson. I'm not quite by myself. Oh, look fresh. I may security now. Security in this.
It be prayers and parabana.
All right. Fast forward. I feel we only nomination before Central Music Awards.
Yeah, we had one. We had music video of the year. That is Koda. But unfortunately, yeah, it happened how it should happen. So we're hoping for a better day next year, definitely.
Last year we witnessed the 11th edition of Central Music Awards, and this year being the 11th edition. Comparing last year and being the 10th edition and this year being the 11th edition, do you believe we've really grown?
To me, if you should ask me, I'll tell you there's been great improvement. Charlie, the whole academy, I don't want to side out, like the whole academy from the CEO to all the board members, like they've really tried because the setups over there, it not be easy. They've tried, like kudos to the team.
This year, I believe you have a couple of singles out. How many songs do you have out?
This year, I did more of covers. So single songs like 3. I shot videos for 2. Then the other ones be cover. Shatawale on God, we did cover like almost all the big songs we did cover, and we had great feedback.
Take me through the 3 songs you dropped, the title of the songs.
Okay, I have Ankwanoma. It's out on all the platforms.
One of my favorites.
Straight. I have Koda, the one that got featured in the music video nomination. Yeah, and the other one is on Cash and Carry, featuring Orkorto and Abombelet.
How is the reaction like for you being an artist in Central Region? Anytime you drop a song, how is the reaction for you?
It be crazy. We thank God, like it be overwhelming because at times we get people like yourself I've never come across before, but then like what's sharing day in and out, like positive feedback, challenge. I mean, it be positive. We got really bless everybody where they support Guyson music genuinely from his or her heart. You know, understand? Like, I mean, she'll be out here them kind of works now because it'll be easy. You know. So
fast forward and chair last week now who say we go social media, a couple of pictures were flaunting. We sat behind people and now it's saying.
By God's grace, I think I have a team now. There is this particular team, Kobe One Entertainment. Yeah, we've been working for some time now, you know, low key, but I think it's official now. So right now I'm under Kobe One Entertainment straight.
How many years?
4 years.
4 years.
Yeah.
I believe the contract name.
Oh, it'll be very okay, very okay. It'll be very okay.
Yeah, call Ghana phone in our we are seeing in our area, and then our fans are expecting fever from this time. Say after a end.
All right, so 2023 is definitely gonna be our year. 2023 is gonna work for Kobe One Entertainment. It's gonna work for all my Guyson soldiers. It's gonna work for Central Region, Fantaman, South Market Sim, Khofy Guyson, myself and my team Kobe One Entertainment. We have loads of songs coming your way. So like they should just anticipate big songs. Earlier January, that's first week of January, dropping big song, Khofy Guyson featuring Medical, Dede, Noise. So they should all anticipate and look up to us.
Your last words to your fans out there, and then to the industry players. What's your last words?
Now go on and share will be our support to Khofy Guyson knowingly and unknowingly. They should expect greatness from my camp, talking of Kobe One and myself. They should expect nothing but greatness. I just want to thank everybody. Like, the support is massive, very, very overwhelming, you understand? So, I mean, sure, be and big shouts to, you know, few people like Kojo Holic, I Prince, Lambert, Kobe One, like Charlie, the names they play to you. Everybody, yeah, straight. Those having you, big as yourself, Baba, big as yourself.
Khofy Guyson, it's nice having you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Central Music Awards 2022.